Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set data warning limit on your Google Pixel 7a. So here is the settings. How to do that? Simply swipe up the screen and go to Settings application and open Network and Internet. Here is my Google Pixel 7a and open Internet. After that, click on that gear icon. Then you will get this page. Open Data Warning and Limit. Okay. Here you can see data warning is turned on and there is a data warning limit. Okay, click on that. Default it is 2 GB and you can click here, change your GB to MB or MB to GB, anything you like. Okay, so here I'm setting 2 GB and here I'm entering the daily limit because here in India there is more plans available 4 GB and above or unlimited data. So I'm simply set 4 GB for horror. So that's guys, in this way you can simply set data limit. And what it is actually do, if you're using a mobile data in your phone and your daily data it is around or your monthly data is around 50 GB, then you can simply set it to 45 GB as the data warning limit. So whenever you reach 45 GB, it will be show a warning message. That means you are using 45 GB and 5 GB only left. And you can set 50 GB or 49 GB as your data post limit. So whenever you reach 49 GB, then the mobile data will be post. And if you turn on the mobile data, this does not work because it is post. So this is one of the best feature whenever you are using a paid mobile data or a limited data. So this is useful feature. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.